As of June 2026, how many Ramsar sites are there in India? Correct answer is option D, 100. What is the theme of the International Day of Yoga 2026? Correct answer is option D, Yoga for Healthy Aging. Khorasani Imli has recently received the geographical indication tag. It belongs to which state? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Keir Starmer resigned from the post of Prime Minister. He was the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option C, United Kingdom. Which state established India's first dedicated artificial intelligence ministry in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Kerala. Which organization received the 31st Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Award in 2026? Correct answer is option B, Sahaj Samradh. Who became the first cricketer in the world to play 200 women's T20 internationals? Correct answer is option B, Harmanpreet Kaur. Who has been appointed as the chairman of NESCOM? Correct answer is option D, Shrikant Velamakanni. Where has India's first AI-powered digital banking branch been launched? Correct answer is option D, Guwahati, Assam. Which club won the Indian Super League 2026 title? Correct answer is option B, East Bengal Football Club. India and which country have decided to jointly observe 2027 as the Year of Culture and Tourism? Correct answer is option C, Italy. Where will the NATO Summit 2026 be held? Correct answer is option D, Ankara, Turkey. Which book won the International Booker Prize 2026? Correct answer is option B, Taiwan Travelogue. Who has been appointed as India's new Chief of Defence Staff in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani. Who has been reappointed as the Solicitor General of India? Correct answer is option C, Tushar Mehta. Which state government has announced a cash reward of 8 crore and a DSP level government job for Olympic gold medal winners? Correct answer is option D, West Bengal. Who became the new Chief Minister of Bihar in April 2026? Correct answer is option D, Samrat Chaudhary. Who became the highest earning player in IPL history? Correct answer is option D, Virat Kohli. Which country will host the 20th Asian Games? Correct answer is option B, Japan. Who has been appointed as the Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option D, Ashok Kumar Lahiri. Which state has announced the establishment of India's first elderly care department? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Which country will host the G20 Summit 2026? Correct answer is option A, United States of America. In which state will India's first private marine gas turbine facility be established? Correct answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Where has India's first cheetah safari been inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Kuno National Park. Who has been appointed as the president of the Commonwealth Chess Association? Correct answer is option C, Bharat Singh Chauhan. Which country won the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? Correct answer is option B, India. Who became the first woman officer of the Indian Air Force to qualify as a Category A flying instructor? Correct answer is option D, Squadron Leader Sanya. Under whose chairmanship was the Committee on Women Empowerment constituted by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla? Correct answer is option C, Daggubati Purandeshwari. What is the name of India's first electric powered rocket? Correct answer is option B, Vayuputra. Bhuvan Chandra Khanduri, who recently passed away, was the former chief minister of which state? Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Where was the third Nordic India Summit held? Correct answer is option D, Oslo, Norway. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Iraq? Correct answer is option B, Ali Al Zaidi. Who created a world record by climbing Mount Everest 32 times? Correct answer is option B, Kami Rita Sherpa. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of UIDAI? Correct answer is option B, Saurabh Vijay. Which state has been declared India's fifth fully literate state under Ullas program? Correct answer is option D, Sikkim. Which country awarded its highest civilian honor, Royal Order of the Polar Star, to Prime Minister Narendra Modi in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Sweden. Ratindra Bose has been appointed as the Speaker of which legislative assembly? Correct answer is option B, West Bengal. What is the name of India's first autonomous combat aircraft being manufactured in Portugal? Correct answer is option D, Kal Bhairav. Which country hosted the AI Impact Summit 2026? Correct answer is option A, India. How many Padma Awards were conferred in 2026? Correct answer is option D, 131. Which became India's 107th national park? Correct answer is option B, Simlipal National Park. Who became the chairperson of the National Commission for Backward Class in March 2026? Correct answer is option A, Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti. What is the name of India's first indigenous 300-kilometer universal rocket launching system launched by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh? Correct answer is option B, Suryastra. Who won the women's singles title at the French Open 2026? Correct answer is option D, Mira Andreeva. How much allocation did the Ministry of Defense receive in the Union Budget 2026-27? Correct answer is option C, 7.85 lakh crore rupees. Shekha Jheel Bird Sanctuary, designated as India's 99th Ramsar site, is located in which district? Correct answer is option B, Aligarh. Which Foundation Day of DRDO was celebrated on 1st January 2026? Correct answer is option C, 68th. Which country passed the smoke-free generation law in April 2026? Correct answer is option C, United Kingdom. Where was India's first government hospital-based AI clinic established? Correct answer is option A, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Who won the 79th Santosh Trophy in 2026? Correct answer is option D, Services Football Team. Which country did Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit on his first foreign trip in 2026? Correct answer is option C, Malaysia. The R-37M missile recently in the news was developed by which country? Correct answer is option D, Russia. What is India's rank in the Global Terrorism Index 2026? Correct answer is option B, 13th. Who was honored with the Global Green Icon Award at the World Climate Leaders Summit held in the United Kingdom? Correct answer is option A, Jogini Palli Santosh Kumar. Who became India's 95th chess grandmaster? Correct answer is option D, Aranyak Ghosh. What is the name of the new resident facing communication mascot launched by UIDAI? Correct answer is option D, Uday. Which state secured the first position in the Khelo India Beach Games 2026? Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. Padma Vibhushan awardee N. Rajam is associated with which musical instrument? Correct answer is option B, violin. Where will India's first National Cow Culture Museum be established? Correct answer is option C, Mathura. Who was appointed as the 48th Deputy Chief of Naval Staff of the Indian Navy in June 2026? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Kochar. What is the new name of Fazil Nagar in Kushinagar district of Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer is option A, Pavagadh. Which team won the IPL 2026 title by defeating Gujarat Titans? Correct answer is option D, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Pragati 2026, a 12-nation military exercise, was hosted by India in which state? Correct answer is option B, Meghalaya. Who was appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Rohit Jain. Who became the first individual footballer to win the Princess of Asturias Sports Award 2026? Correct answer is option C, Lionel Messi. Which state has been declared India's first state with a fully paperless judiciary? Correct answer is option D, Sikkim. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2026? Correct answer is option C, 157th. Who was sworn in as the 13th Chief Minister of Kerala? Correct answer is option C, V.D. Satishan. Who was reappointed as the Director of the Central Bureau of Investigation in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Praveen Sood. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Report 2026? Correct answer is option B, 116th. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. What is the theme of the International Day of Yoga 2026? And the question number second is, as of June 2026, how many Ramsar sites are there in India? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.